right, here we are at day 4. Our question is, why do some building entrances have ramps? We've talked about that there are 6 types of simple machines. A ramp is a special one called an inclined plane, and they require less force to go the same distance as it would be just taking stairs, for instance. So ramps in front of building entrances require less force to go up them than stairs do. This means that people in wheelchairs or people who have difficulty walking can use ramps to get into buildings. People can also push or carry heavy objects into buildings more easily. Ramps are important because they give everyone access to places such as schools, restaurants, and other public buildings. So it says for you to name 4 places you have been to that have a ramp in front of them. I've just listed some examples, and you are welcome to borrow mine if you need to. Outside of post office buildings, there is usually a ramp, and it may not be as big as this one, but if there's a step, then there's a little ramp for wheelchairs and people who have difficulty walking stairs to go up. I have also, this past weekend, I went to the aquarium in Gatlinburg, and they have a lot of ramps because they have a lot of stairs to get you inside of the building. And then also when you're inside the building to get from floor to floor, they have ramps as well. Another place that I've seen ramps is at the bank. Different banks have a ramp that helps people to get inside. And the last one is the courthouse. If you've been downtown Greenville past the courthouse, you will see there is a ramp that people can walk up, or they can use their wheelchairs so that they may get into the courthouse building. On part B, look at the drawing of a slide. Circle and drag the 2 circles to show where the inclined planes are in the picture. So you should have put one circle here on the ladder and the other circle over here on the slide. Then you have to answer these 2 questions. Which inclined plane requires you to use force? Well, you have to use force to climb the ladder. Which inclined plane uses the force of gravity to do work? That would be the slide. Gravity is doing the work here to make you come toward the earth. Remember, tomorrow is your quiz over this weekly question. I recommend that you go back and you can just watch the videos from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and you can even rewatch this one if you want to help you do the quiz. Now, I don't lock your quizzes. You are more than welcome to go back and look at your bell ringers for the week while you're taking the quiz to help you on that. I urge you to actually do that. That's like in reading when you have to read a story and you go back in the story to find your answers. The same thing applies here. Only on these quizzes I'll allow you to do that. If it's a big test, I'll lock the screen and you can't have any help. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be glad to answer them. Have a good day.